Okay, so in this video, I am just going to mention a few economic importance of Cycas. Okay, few very important economic properties of Cycas, economic uses of Cycas. So let's take a look at these few importance. Cycas trees yield sago. Okay, sago, we know that it can be consumed by human. Okay, it is used as a constituent of poor man's food. Now this sago can be obtained from cycas trees, and hence these cycas, they are usually referred to as the sago palms. And we know that sago is very rich in starch content. It is a starch which is used for human consumption. Next, the fruits of cycas are edible. The young fleshy shoots are also edible, and not only the shoots, actually the roots also are usually consumed by the people of the northeastern states of India. For example, here the young shoots of Cycas pectinata, they are usually eaten by the hill tribes of Assam. Okay, they use it as a vegetable. Now the next is many species of Cycas have medicinal importance. The young plants of Cycas look beautiful and therefore they are usually grown for ornamentals. Okay, they are usually grown in gardens as ornamentals. The stems of Cycas rhomphai, they are used for making small houses in Indonesia. The leaves are used for making brooms, baskets, and thatching huts. And the ramenta, they are usually used for stuffing pillows. The fibers obtained from the stems and the leaves of Cycas revoluta, they are used for making cloth, ropes, and twines. So we can see that the Cycas trees, they have many important economic uses. Now, if you take a look at the affinities of Cycas, okay, the Cycas plant, they actually has resemblances with the pteridophytes. Okay, resemblance with higher pteridophytes. We will take a look at some of the fern characters, the fern-like characters of Cycas. Okay, because we have studied about Cycas, so we will take a look at some of the characters of Cycas which makes them resemble like fern. Okay, so though Cycas is a member of a Gymnosperms, it shows many primitive characters similar to ferns. Okay, so some of these characters are the main plant body. We know that the main plant body is sporophyte and is differentiated into the root, the stem, and the leaf. Then the young stem, I had just mentioned that when the seed is germinating, remember, because the cotyledons, they remain underground, so the germination also is underground. Okay, so the young stem is subterranean and underground. So this is also the character of the fern trees. Now next we have the presence of the persistent leaf bases on the stem. Okay, we know that when the leaf they fall off, they will leave a base at the stem, on the stem of the plant. So this is also one of the character of the cycas which show similarity with the tree ferns. Now the young leaves, they exhibit circinate vernation. This also, in my previous video, I had just mentioned that the young leaves, okay, the foliage leaves, they show circinate vernation. And the major leaves are large, pinnately compound and restricted to the apex, forming a crown. Okay, if you remember, in one of my videos when we talk about the male and the female plant, we have seen that the leaves, the foliage leaves, they are pinnately compound, and also they are restricted only to the apex. Okay, they are not growing throughout the plant or in branches. They are restricted only at the apex, forming a crown. So this is also one of the character of the tree ferns. Next we have the vascular anatomy. Okay, the vascular bundle is similar, okay, and it shows a foliar gaps. Now the xylem consists of tracheids and xylem parenchyma. The phloem consists of the sieve tubes and the phloem parenchyma. The vessels are absent in xylem and the companion cells are absent in phloem, just like the character of the tree ferns. So next we have the leaves. The leaves also we have studied that they show mesarch vascular bundles. Okay, the xylem here, they are mesarch. Now also the megasporophylls, they are leaf-like and they replace the foliage leaves. Next, the ovules, they are borne laterally on leaf-like megasporophylls. Okay, so this one also we have seen that the ovules, they are borne on the megasporophylls, which is a character of the fern trees, of other fern trees. And also the presence of the archegonia. This is also one of the character which resembles the fern trees. Okay, the presence of the archegonia in the female gametophyte, and also the motile sperms, which with a large number of cilia. But the only difference is that the sperms, they can swim comfortably in case of ferns. Okay, they can swim, whereas in Cycas they swim only within the pollen tube. Remember, when the pollen tube, it reaches the archegonial chamber, the sperm cells, with the help of cilia, they can swim inside the pollen tube. Okay, so it is still similar in both the fern and the Cycas, okay, where we have the motile sperms with a large number of cilia. And also what we observe is that on the abaxial surface of the microsporophylls, the microsporangia are born in sori. Okay, remember, they are born in sori just like the tree fern. So these characters, some of these characters, they are similar characters of Cycas plants. They are similar with the tree ferns. Okay, so these are the fern-like characters of Cycas.